Hello, good afternoon. I am Jaime Alejandra Ramírez Barreto, student bachelor degree of the English of the Corporación Universitaria del Caribe SECAR, CAU San Vicente del Caguán, Caquetá.
My presentation. How to make the better use of the T in education. Technology has become the best ally in the field of the knowledge. Thus, the two videos show how the use ICT applied to education fit in the green help for the teaching and the learning process of the children, youth, and the adult. In the first one, the protagonist surprised the audience by using technology and the humor routine. And the second one, all the elements that must be accessed in the order to use ICT in the classroom as a strategy ally are shown. Finally, we must understand that we are the technological era and therefore we had to be on the forefront. For that, we had to understand and assimilate them, because no one can teach what she does not know. Thank you. Bye bye. Someone's reference.